In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to PDF using Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First things first, if you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you've logged into Zapier, you're ready to automate this process. To begin, navigate to the home page of Zapier. You can do this by following the link I've provided in the description below. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create button. It's usually bright and eye-catching. Clicking on this button will take you to the next step in setting up your automation. Now that you're here, you'll want to look for a section labeled Zaps. This is where you'll manage all your automation setups. When you click on Zaps, it will open a panel showing your existing Zaps and an option to create new ones. The next step is crucial. Click on Trigger. This is where you define what event will kick off your PDF conversion process. You'll be prompted to choose the app you want to trigger your Zap, so start typing Google. Once you see Google Sheets appear, go ahead and select it. Next, you'll pick the event that will trigger your Zap. For this task, you want to choose the option that says New Spreadsheet, since this will create a PDF whenever you add a new sheet. Great! Now let's move on to the next phase. After specifying Google Sheets as your trigger app, it's time to focus on the action that will take place in response to the trigger. For this, click on the Action button. Once again, type in Google Drive. Choose Google Drive from the list that appears. Now, this time you'll be prompted to specify the action event. Again, type Export into the search bar and choose the Export File option from the drop-down menu. This brings us to the Setup section, where you'll input your preferences. In the interface, you'll be given fields to fill out with details about how you want your PDF to be exported. Make sure you select the desired format, PDF in this case, so that it converts your Google Sheets content correctly. Next, you'll be prompted to specify further details like the file name for your PDF if you'd like. Feel free to customize this section with naming conventions that will help you keep things organized when you receive your PDF files in Google Drive. Once that's all set, you'll need to ensure that everything is connected properly. Zapier will allow you to run a test to ensure that your configuration works flawlessly. Make sure to run this test to confirm that your automation is functioning as expected. Finally, if everything checks out, go ahead and click on Turn on Zap. This is a crucial final step because until you activate your Zap, the automation won't run. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automation to convert Google Sheets to PDFs using Zapier. Now, every time you create a new sheet, it will automatically generate a PDF for you, saving you time and effort. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make your workflows more efficient. Happy automating!